Okay, so I got this QX60 and we're gonna replace that transmission fluid. I got it leveled so that if we so decide to change the to check the level of the oil, we will be able to do it. So what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna remove the transmission fluid out of this one, and then this is the level one. So we're gonna do a quick flush, and that's how we're gonna accomplish this. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna insert this screwdriver right in here, and you're gonna push the little plastic tab that way, and then the plug is pretty tight. I had already done this. Let's see if I could show you. See the tab there? Right there. So you need to push it. You need to push it that way. You're going to grab that tab and pull it that way. Pull it towards the plug like that. Okay? To get it away from this. This is just a hole, right? And the tab is trapped right here. So you need to pull it in that way. And once you pull it in, then you pull it out. Now, to push that tab is fairly easy, but then the plug is there pretty tight, so you need to pull it out with quite some force and just wiggle it, and it'll come out. Okay, so that's the first step. Okay, here we go with step number 2. So this is the driver tire. You come in a straight line. That's the transmission pan. Okay, and that's the leveler. But we're just gonna remove this one right now, and that is a 19. And here we go. I just tried to break it loose. That's it. That broke loose, and we'll get that oil out of there. Okay. So here we're draining the fluid, and we're catching it out on our paint container so that we know exactly how much we're going to have to replace. This is the cheating, easy part of doing things. All right. Okay, clean it up and put the plug back in. And now we can measure. It looks like we have 3.5 liters, close to 12 ounce. I'm going to put it in a straight surface. I'm going to measure the transmission fluid that I'm going to change. I'll show you the different colors, but that one's obviously black. So much for unserviceable transmissions, fluids forever. If you want to keep your vehicle, just change it. And here we go, friends. I mean, what can I tell you? For a car that costs over $65K, not doing this, it's a crime, honestly. All right, so here we go. And I got them pretty much leveled. I put just a little splash more, just for whatever it stays in the plastic. And again, you can put it in a flat surface, open that level screw, and level it. But I think we're good here. All right, let's go put it back. And here you go. I'm just pouring everything. And I'm just going to let it drip for a little bit. But, you know, like we said, we put just a little splash for whatever we could have. I'm going to show you the contraction that I got here. But this worked really, really, really good. Basically, I'm going to put it back together. These are the tools I needed. A 19 socket and that funnel. I did put a little bigger hose here just to make sure I had a seal fit. Didn't want it no fluid to escape. And that's about it. I got around 55,000 miles, and you saw the color of that fluid. So there you go. Thank you so much for seeing. If you like it, hit like, subscribe. I'm just doing this to help you people. Thank you so much.